Welcome to your friendly neighbourhood case management guide, here to help you wrangle those wayward cases into submission. Case management, SwiftFox's all-in-one feature for managing individual, member or organisation issues, queries or projects, all linked to the data you already store in the system. Case management allows you to track and update cases, assign responsibility, store related notes and documents, and keep everything in one central location. Let's jump into case management from the menu. If the feature is enabled for your organisation, you'll see a list of all active cases. These are permission-based, so users only see the cases relevant to them. You can filter the case list by status, for example, open, in progress, or closed, or use more detailed filters across fields like title, description, type, date, contact, or assigned user. To create a new case, select Create Case. Start by giving your case a name, Contract Review Request, and a description. A member has been offered a new role and would like a legal review of their contract before signing. You can also apply tags to help categorize or track your cases. Tags are managed in the SwiftFox settings, so if you don't see what you need, you can add it there. Next, link the case to any relevant people or organizations. Simply type to search and select one or more contacts. Once added, the case will also appear on that person's or organization's profile. Set the date and choose the status. You can also upload supporting documents. You can control access using the sharing permissions at the top of the case. Share the case with yourself, a single user, or a group, and choose whether they can view only or view and edit. Once saved, the case will appear in your case table and can be updated at any time. Inside each case, you can create posts to record notes and updates. Note, these posts are saved on the case itself, not the person's main profile, helping you keep case-related information organised in one place. You can tag people, add attachments, and apply tags, just like posts everywhere else in SwiftFox. You can also add tasks and comments to a case. Tasks can be assigned to other users to follow up on case-related actions. Finally, if you visit a person or organisation's profile, you'll see a Cases tab. This shows all cases linked to that record, along with the same ability to post, comment, edit, and manage the case from there. How convenient, you won't be missing those. That's a quick overview of case management in SwiftFox, your central hub for tracking important interactions, actions, and updates across your organisation. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-managed case is a happy case. See you in the next video.